Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live stream again where I'm trading binary option. You can trade together with me every single day. I trade Monday to Friday. Okay? So before I get to the results of the trades I've done today, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream from me. Also, make sure you sign up with the broker I'm using. You find the link below the video. Also, start with a demo account. Make sure that you are able to follow my trades before you fund your account, okay? But when you start to decide that you want to fund your account, make sure you use the promo code that you find below the video also, so you get 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count, okay? So now let's get to what type of trades we have done today. We basically have done the trades you see here, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 9 trades today. We lost 2 trades, this one and this one, so we have 7 out of 9 trades. And that is exactly what I always say. Our win rate is between 7 and 8 wins for every 10 trades. So we are spot on. So if you want to trade together with me, make sure, like I said, to turn on the bell notification when you have subscribed so you never lose a live stream from me. Because I do trade every single day, same time, live. I also trade Saturdays. This is on Discord, so make sure you sign up on my Discord channel also, so you can follow my trades there also. So then, I really hope I see you in my live stream tomorrow. Make sure at least you have a demo account so you can do the trades I'm doing. And I will always have a chat open and I answer everyone. So make sure you hit me up there. Tell me I did not sign up on a demo. I never forget anyone that write to me there. So with that, have an amazing day and I hope I see you tomorrow. Let's make some money together.